Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Google Fi, which is Google's mobile career service that offers flexible plans and international coverage. So before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore Google Fi and see if it is the right choice for you. So first we need to understand what is Google Fi. So Google Fi is a wireless career service that is powered by T-Mobile's network, offering seamless switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks for better coverage. It is designed for travelers, remote workers, and those who are looking for the affordable, flexible mobile plans. Now, there are some of the things that I like about this particular service. The first thing is that you are going to get flexible plans. So you need to pay only for the extra data that you use, and you need to choose an unlimited plan. The second thing is that it will give you the international coverage because it works in 200 plus countries with no extra roaming fees. You will get the Wi-Fi calling and network switching feature, which automatically connects to the best available signals, and you will also get the free VPN and security features that actually protects your data on public Wi-Fi. Now if I talk about the cons, it is best for the certain phones because it works with Google Pixel and other Fi compatible devices. So you can just check the full list over here. So if you need a flexible, budget friendly mobile plan with strong international coverage and smart feature, Google Fi is an excellent option. It is perfect for the frequent travelers and anyone who wants a simple, reliable and secure mobile services. So if you want to try it out, you can check out the discount link in the description to get started. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.